Did you get the sound on there?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh my goodness! Did you see that? Holy shit! Did you see that? Excuse my French. My goodness, I hope I got that. There's a tree on fire somewhere. Good Lord.
Oh! That was so fun! Oh my God!
Yeah, there is a fire.
Is there a fire?
Yeah, there's a fire.
But it'll put it right out, don't you think? Yeah, it should put it right out. Where do you see a fire? I don't.
It's over there between those scrawny two trees. It's getting lighter and lighter and lighter, baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Scrawny two trees.
Yeah, it's gone now, baby. Well, no, it's still there. I can see it, but young eyes.
It already did. He's horrible.
Oh, she says it all the time. It's only good when she says it. Okay, I'm done.
That was
Oh yeah, it was right here. I've got a little flash in my eye. It was right here.
Do we need to go in?
I don't know.
Where? Like right there?
Yeah, that was right here, honey.
Wow. You saved it too.
Oh yeah.